This blizzard buried a city under 50-foot snow. It was March 1888 and nobody saw it coming. A sudden wall of white slammed into New York City. Temperatures plummeted and the wind howled at 85 miles per hour. Trains froze on their tracks, and telegraph lines snapped like twigs. The city became an icy prison. Some buildings were buried up to the second floor. People tunneled through snow just to reach food. Over 400 people never made it out. But it changed the city forever. New York began building underground trains, so they'd never be trapped again. One storm froze a city, but sparked a revolution beneath it. Follow for more strange U.S. history.